Hello friends, let's create background for this cube. So for that, let's add plane and scale it for example 6 times. Press S and 6. Confirm. Next, go to edit mode, select edges and let's select this edge. Now we have to extrude this edge up, so press E and Z. And again select this edge. Now we have to bevel this edge by pressing Ctrl B and drag it. And now you can choose amount of segments by scrolling middle mouse button. And confirm. Now back to object mode and next right click and select shade smooth. Now you can select any color you want, so go to render preview and material properties. Select new and base color and choose any color you want. You can play with lights. You have background in Blender. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. More videos soon.